Okay, we'll make this part 2. It's just such a nice day. I want to go riding. Don't want to lose this thing. Not working out. February, I will have had this farm for 34 years. I bought it when I was 28. We're going to the center of the forest now. Before we ran around the outside. A carpet of leaves. And this trail runs through the center of the forest. Oh, there's one turkey. You know, they can fly for about a quarter mile. And the babies, incredibly, can fly within 2 weeks of being born. And they're just about that size. 2 weeks. No bird can fly within 2 weeks, but they do. Now this is a jump that I jumped that little red Honda on a long time ago, and I landed about here. I overshot the jump and I broke 2 ribs, and boy was that painful for 6 weeks. Like I mentioned in another video, there's 5 kilometers of these trails. Labor of love to make them. Entering the pit. The jump that Pug wrecked his back on with the motorhome, the tanker, CPP. Got a bad fuel pump, but runs if you dump gas in the carb. I mean, in the intake. My favorite apple tree is all done. Anybody's looking at me, they probably think I'm crazy with this camera stuck to my face. What a lovely view. Perfect.
Oh, it's always something.